If you're looking for the best AI courses on Coursera in 2026, you're in the right place. AI is one of the most valuable skills you can learn today, and the right course can help you build practical knowledge and advance your career. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. Let's look at the 3 best AI courses on Coursera based on ratings, reviews, popularity, certification value, and the credibility of the organizations behind them. At number 3 is Google Introduction to AI. This beginner-friendly course explains AI fundamentals, responsible AI, and real-world applications in a simple and practical way. It's a great starting point for anyone new to artificial intelligence. At number 2 is AI Foundations for Everyone by IBM. This specialization covers prompt engineering, generative AI workflows, and practical AI tools. Backed by IBM and highly rated by learners, it's a solid choice if you want a broader understanding of today's AI technologies. At number 1 is AI for Everyone by DeepLearning.AI, created by Andrew Ng. With outstanding ratings and more than 50,000 reviews, it's one of the most popular AI courses on Coursera. It focuses on how AI works, how businesses use it, and how it's changing industries, making it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. If you plan to take more than one AI course, buying them individually can get expensive. That's where Coursera Plus offers much better value. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from top providers like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and leading universities. You'll also earn certificates for eligible courses at no extra cost. If you're serious about learning AI in 2026, Coursera Plus is one of the most affordable ways to build valuable skills while exploring multiple AI courses. If you found this video helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.